So one of the cool things about this is you can tell where it had Japanese writing on here. I wish it was still on there. I'm going to try to look later and see if I can decipher it, see what it used to say. But it's a fire truck, and it's a Subaru fire truck. So everything I'm telling you is pure speculation, but I just want to point out some things like this grab handle here and this step. There's a seat right here, so I guess extra firemen would sit on that. Here's a place for a fire extinguisher. Of course, here's the hose. This part would plug into the fire hydrant and spray out on this end, I'm quite sure. Here's the pump that would pump the water. I don't see where the other end would go into a water tank anywhere. But these trucks are so small you couldn't put a water tank on it anyway. More grab handles. More things to bolt on. Here's some more Japanese writing. I can't wait to find out what that says. Here's a ladder. I mean, this thing is tiny. I've actually climbed rebar ladders before, and it hurts your feet climbing it. So you'd have to be a little fireman to use this. More things to clamp on with. The seat, of course, storage cabinet under there. More grab handles, and right side steering. Super fun. I can't imagine going to a Cars and Coffee or some kind of car meet in this. You can imagine the attention you'd get on it. So I love it. I just brought this one back. It is so nice. I'm having a blast in this thing. Push button start, air conditioned, heat. It's got a place for whatever sound system you want to put in there. Power windows, electric mirrors. It's really nice. It even drove good, so I've definitely got the fever. Okay, I leveled up. This is so much funner than a golf cart. Look at this screen right here. You can watch movies on it, play music. It's got Bluetooth. You name it. It's automatic. This is electric. Wait till you see the outside of it. It looks like a TRX. It's got all the good stuff. Power windows, power mirrors, air conditioned. I love it. So I'm gonna go take it for a spin. See you in a second. Okay, this one's got it all. This is a handicap van, and it's got navigation system, it's got automatic, it's got wood grain dash, air conditioned, sound system. It actually rides good. I mean, the seats feel good, fabric, and then I'll show you the back door in a minute, but you can slide open the door and put your wheelchair, whatever you needed back there. Nice little glove box, a dash to put stuff in, and it's amazing what they can get in these. I've done that 5 times today. Yeah, this is called a deck van. Usually people get these and lift them. This person actually lowered it and put a custom steering wheel on it, which I think is really cool. Navigation, sound system, air conditioned. Once again, just having a good time. The speedometer says 140. I don't think so. I had such a good time here hanging out at Mini Trucks of Texas. Go to his website and you can probably see more of these. I was like a kid in a candy store today. I came out here, had a blast, watched him put some lifts and accessories on, and he let me drive these. And I want to say thanks for watching Eddie in Service, and I'll see you in the next video.